One of the main reasons anybody takes on a CRM system is to help them better manage their working schedule and organise their things to do. But no two workdays are ever the same, so you need a tool that's as dynamic as you are. Welcome to the OpenCRM Calendar, the central hub for everything in your professional universe. Landing on this page gives me a complete overview of what's on today. A colour coding scheme gives me an idea of how my month looks, as well as handy snapshot modules housed on the right hand side to show me the entities throughout the system that require my more immediate actions. Calendar items can easily be created using a simple drag and drop functionality with key information such as activity type, name and description added, as well as the ability to link to important records that relate to this activity. Once I'm ready to check for new leads, there's no need to go hunting around. Those handy snapshot modules at the bottom right hand side put everything all into one place, allowing me to navigate to what I need in just one click. From here, I can action the next steps of my sales process and follow up this inquiry, and once ready, by selecting Home, I jump back to my Calendar hub. Often things in our day may take longer than we expect, so I can adjust the duration of my activity. Again, using a simple click and drag, I can make that activity longer or shorter. But sometimes the day just simply gets away from us, and I may need to reschedule. No problem. I can jump to a weekly overview of my calendar and find a slot that works for me. Working life often needs some collaboration, right? OpenCRM's permission model doesn't just limit you to access your own calendar, but also of those around you. Take a look at when your colleagues may be free, or create a team to see everybody at a glance. This looks like a great time to schedule our weekly catch-up meeting. With the addition of other features such as activity notifications and integrations with Outlook and Google, the OpenCRM Calendar works as your central hub to keep everything in your day on track. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon for another Tuesday tip.